Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
Alright, it ain't too often I make videos like this. I'm putting this at the front. Hey, at the outro of this video, I blew up. Had a bad day. Only reason I'm making this video is because I had special guests, Chaos Divers in the house, and Rob, and they had an alright day. My day was shit. Enjoy the video. What's up, lifers? Out here at Lake Welsh, y'all know how much I despise this lake. But I'm out here with Fat Rob and Chaos Divers. We're gonna try to do a little fishing. I think Chaos is gonna look for a boat or a car or a dead man or something, I don't know. But we're gonna try to catch a few fat ones. The lake is starting to get busy. It has been raining for the last 12 hours and it finally let up. I'm finna slide in and go cuss this lake as much as I always cuss it. And I'll let y'all see them. They're rigging their stuff up. Now the one advantage is we do have some killer ass sonar, so maybe.
Yeah,
maybe.
Find that lost jig I left in the bottom of the lake and he could die for it.
Maybe he can.
Hi guys.
He's rigging his boat up.
We've been here for 3 hours, the boat ramp.
It actually takes him almost as long as it does me, which is cool.
I've been a good help supervising.
Yeah, Rob's put in a lot of work today.
A lot of work. That's what I do.
I imagine he's ate 2 tacos and slept all the way from Dallas.
I did drive him here.
Did drive.
I mean, he sleeps all the way from Dallas even when he drives, so, you know.
It's got autopilot. Yeah, I don't know how I make it here sometimes. Like I wake up, my eyes like I'm here already. Yeah. So no big ones today.
Alright, guys. We will be back when we get on the water. We're finna try to get all these bass fishermen's way. Big boat. I'm finally on the water. A little foggy out here. I hope I don't get run over. We'll see what the water temp is. What's up, y'all? Water temperature is amazingly only 59 degrees out here. Of course, we were at 0 the other day. This is a power plant lake for anybody that watches not that often. And we're finna get on here and go. Alright, dude, pick a homeboy up. We're out here on Power Plant Lake. We need the money to fish these lakes. Diet dude, fishing fuel champions. I'm gonna let everybody know there's only like 75 boats out here today. This lake is 1,200 acres. You can walk from boat to boat. About half of them from out of state. Half of them are from Lake Fort because they're not catching anything on Fort. So, my private lake's getting ass wiped right now. Oh yeah, we gotta get that Stoker's in the lip because I'm not feeling it today. I haven't mentioned this in the video yet, I don't remember, but we've had about 6 inches of rain since yesterday. 1 or 2, even if I had to finesse fish, which y'all know I hate to do. I will. Y'all like it when I move the camera like that. Really exciting. organized and ready. I hear Rob doing his intro. It's time to feed.
No. But he doesn't.
You have a triple threat.
He knows I don't catch fish here.
The way it's been going for me, nothing catches fish here in Texas.
Catching are two different things, my friend.
You know, with that 360, it's different. You can cast right to them.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna have to upsize lures here.
And I thought
Old town controller motor.
oh, that might be real. He might be the one that watches and comments on my lives too.
Yeah, he said he mentioned your name was all watching his videos. He's like, I don't know you two motherfuckers, but I know Big John.
Yeah. It's not,
Itch on this thing. I look good?
you look good.
I know I look good.
Damn good, Rob. Damn good. Tell them how you like your boat, Rob.
I look sexy on it?
Like your women, small, huh? I mean, even this kayak's only 10 foot.
It is. And that's all you need.
You
That's
know,
all you need.
I've always, been a 13 foot, inch guy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Who's gonna catch the first fish?
I missed one over there
On what?
on my fluke.
Fluke. I think the fluke's a good.
I just appreciate you guys taking me and letting me come down.
This is not my favorite lake. They kill it out here. I just don't like. I don't like motherfuckers almost running me over before they see me. I can go Lake the Pines and not see a quarter of these boats. And I actually catch fish there. Still ranting. Almost got run over out here about 15 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago. I mean, he's looking me in the eye and don't see me. Or acts like he don't. But I guess if you got a 21 foot and a 250 on it, you don't have to watch out for the 13 foot boats. But you do have to watch out for the 13 foot ass whoopings in the fucking parking lot. 'Cause I will beat you in the fucking face with a fucking paddle. Makes me fucking none. I'll bust all your fucking teeth out. Every fucking last one of them. And wear them on my fucking neck. If you pull a gun out, be ready to fucking use it. That right there, or you fishing up the bank?
Pardon?
Are you gonna sit right there, or you fishing up the bank?
Go ahead.
Okay. Okay. I just didn't want to cut you off. What are they biting on today?
Huh?
What are they biting on today?
I don't know.
Me neither.
I hadn't been over for years. I come here once a year.
Oh, okay.
I
Well,
live way up in the panhandle.
I live 12 miles from here, and I come here about once a year.
I live up by Amarillo, and I come down. I've been coming down there since 1985. I stay at the Minute Bucket, and it's too windy. Water's too cold over there now.
Yeah. It looked like you should have went to OH Ivy.
That ain't no lie. You see how many big old fish they caught?
Man. Hey.
There's some dicks on.
Man. That guy, the last one I talked to was Tools and Fans.
Got one. GoPro start recording. That's a good one, Rob. It's got me in the grass though. No, it's about a 3 or 4. Nah, that's like a 1-pounder.
I say that's probably a 3-pound fish.
That's a 3 or 4 in Illinois. No, it's 3 or 4, Rob. I've seen it. Where's my net man? I'm right here, bud. Get him out of that. My camera guy? And the camera guy. Damn, he's in that.
Keep pressure on him or you're gonna lose him.
Where's my diver? Oh. First one of the year.
Fat Rod caught his first fish.
About a 2. About a 2. Yeah. Give me a picture, please. Yeah. We'll put it in portrait mode too. Oh.
Did he say put it in portrait mode too?
I said that to him earlier.
Well, lifers, it's been real and it's been fun, but it ain't been real fucking fun. Had fun fishing with Rob and Jacob. I'll have them linked below. The only catches you're gonna see are theirs, because I don't qualify to catch fish out here. I will be back on Lake the Pines when it water temp comes up and it's not so muddy. I'll catch a few fish, throw a jig, fish like I know how. Like, share, subscribe, and we gone.